meeting. So I'm gonna run this. I'm gonna try to do it as fast as I can. Ah, Python. Start. So let's see. Successful. Where is my page? Here it is. Okay, so we have this. Just so you guys know, I did some work on the back end. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna
Oh no, it's the double navigation bar again.
fire
Okay.
this.
Oh no, it's my nightmares coming back.
Okay,
Okay.
so I'm gonna do this real quick. I'm gonna do a registration right now. Let's just do Joe, Joe,
I have no idea why that's happening.
Joe,
Have you
Joe.
have you updated, sorry, have you updated the repository? Because I recently submitted to that. I'm just wondering if, but when was the last time that you uh, updated your local uh,
This is new. Um,
oh no. Okay.
Joe.
Oh dear.
At, okay, so let me just do admin. I want the root to see this because it's very interesting. So let's see. Let's look at the. So right now I have no. I don't have this Joe. I'm gonna create. Now if I come here, it's created, right? So
Woohoo!
we have the Jojo with the Jojo Momo,
Okay.
and it's interesting. This is what I'm trying to figure out. So if I refresh this, I get a new role number 2 with the user role, and it should be 1. And then if I come here, I get mapped, to, and this is what I was trying to uh, ask Teru if he can check for this because I have no idea why it keeps on incrementing this like this.
It's for association, really. It's for association.
It's for what?
Association.
Yeah, right. But shouldn't we have like one role? Like if we have, let's say, we have role number 1, number 3. Let's just do number 3, and the role should be role employee, right? And then number 4, we got role.
Every time every user has open with every role.
So every time a
Every
user
time same.
comes,
Every time same.
oh, so it will always be like if we have 100 users, we have 100 roles.
100 roles. Yes.
Oh, I understand. So let's, how do we change? Like if we want to change to this user, let me, there's no user actually. If I, so let's say if I want to change this user to have an admin, will that work for this? Also now, if I go to user roles, it changes here. So if,
Right.
I mean,
Role IDs.
right. So there is not like, okay, I see. And how do we put multiple
This
roles
process
then?
one user can have multiple role.
Right.
That's why.
So in the front end, how will they implement that? Can you give us a? Because I did this, I just was trying to figure out how to do it. Um, to the sign up. Okay, so this is, so I obviously gave a an array here,
Empty role. Yes.
right? But it is a default role.
Default not one. It will be users. Only user.
Okay, let's see.
Only user. Single quote user.
Okay. So let's see if it compiles. It compiles with no error. Let me try to create a new user. So it will be Momo Mama. User Moma at email. No, password admin 123 admin 123. So let's create the user. Create the user. Let's see. We should have three roles users here. So we have this user and the role is user. So it will increment every time we'll have.
Every user.
Okay. And so in the future, if we want to.
Our main role table is user roles, which
Okay. Yes.
mapped user with user.
So in the future, if we want to change this number 3, let me just open this, fire this up. So then is when we set the role here.
Set role also admin. User with admin.
Okay, so let me, what was the name of this user? Where is this? I want to use this MoMA admin. That's it.
Admin. Yes.
So I
With
fire
with with,
this.
with not admin. With user. Huh?
Yeah,
Admin.
yeah, but
All
this is
admin.
already a user. You see, number
Well,
3
you
is the role of number
one
3
role
is already
set.
user.
Yes,
So I
but
want to make
one
it an
role set.
admin.
It's a array object. So if has user, it also pass user
Oh, okay.
every time. Suppose I have 5 roles, you may include one roles, then uh, with 5 roles include at one.
So is this okay, the payload right here?
Yes.
Uh-oh, something not working. Now found with user 3.
First, with admin at refresh it.
Okay. So I couldn't hear you. What was that? But request.
You previously post only admin. That's why admin and user. Only user with admin.
Oh, okay. So only one. Let me send this. Invalid row specified. But it doesn't change here at all. And it's invalid. So I want to change this number 3 to be an admin. But it
User with
doesn't take
admin.
it.
Yes.
Maybe I need to log in. Let me see.
You can see
Let me
all
just,
user. Then you will show actual role of your comma.
let me see if I can log in. Bad credentials. What the heck? Forgot the password already. Admin. I think I put the wrong. I will have to. Let me see this one. I don't know why it's not taking the password. Bad credentials. What the heck? Let's see. It doesn't take any of the passwords. Yeah, let me
Can
create
you
a new one.
register one more?
I'm not creating a new user. Jomo.
I don't know why it's doing that. So irritating. Right, okay, I'm just gonna check that error. I don't know why there's a problem there.
So the
Um,
password will be admin1234
without any
admin.
caps, right?
No, no, it's lowercase.
Admin 123, right?
Okay,
Okay.
admin123 admin. I'm just gonna do admin123 lowercase admin123 lowercase.
Okay.
Okay, something went wrong. What is wrong? Maybe it's not
Same user ID or email.
the user. No, I don't think I have a Joe Momo. What is wrong?
I think the mail maybe. Can you just put it Java 1 or something?
Oh,
Okay,
I guess
that's
I
the
had
issue.
the same. So Joe Momo, C, and I'm gonna go to here, Control B, and the admin is 1, 2, 3.
3.
Okay,
Yeah,
so it's good.
okay.
So what do you want me to do with this again? Uh, to look at all the
URL.
users, get all users. So let's see. I'm gonna just send it. Not authorize. Let me send the token. But this is number. Okay, so let's come back here. Roles. So this is number 4. Okay, it should be a user only, but I'm getting all the users. So
Get
it
all
should
user. Get all user. You are
right, but this is this number 4. It's not this Joe Momo is not an admin. Why am I getting all the users?
go to your controller.
Which controller?
But
The authentication controller?
user controller. User controller.
User controller. Okay.
Admin.
Just remove this. Or I can. It's hard to hear you. Let me just see if I can lower, raise my volume a little bit. Okay. Say that again.
Hey,
Is it only me or he's
Can,
breaking up?
can you see your URL, man?
The URL that
And
it's the URL that is going. Where is this?
by the way, I've just submitted a commit. I've unfixed the double header on the sign up page.
Great. I'll check that in a minute. So this is the URL. Oh, the login. The login is
Not
this one.
login. All user. Get all user.
Uh, there is no URL for users here yet. That's why I'm using Postman because we don't have yet a secure login page where if people log in, they only see their stuff.
Sorry, I cannot understand. Go to your postman.
Okay,
See this URL. URL
this is the URL.
users.
Yeah, all users.
Not all users. Users. Can get to you.
Can you write the URL that I should be using
Yes.
so I can copy? Because
May I'll send the all you.
because if this is a user, and I'm getting all the users from a user and not an admin. That's something there. Okay, I can read this. So if you send me the URL, I can. Let me see something. Or is this public? Maybe it's public. The heck?
Please hit this URL.
Okay, where is the URL? Is this in the meeting?
User control, go to user controller.
What is going on?
Where is the URL?
User control, go to user controller.
User controller. Okay. Okay.
Users all.
Okay.
Yes, hit this URL. This URL only can access admin.
Oh, okay.
If
So
you authorize the send here.
right, but there is something then that is not working. Because if someone uses the URL and they're trying to figure out which URL they can use.
Okay. Please go to user controller
Okay.
and set role here. Down. Which URL you are hit in Postman?
The all users. This
This is for all users.
yeah.
This users.
Yeah.
API v1 users.
Mm-hmm.
Which URL?
Okay, so you want me to change this?
Can you see in our controller?
Okay. Yeah. Okay. It's all been solved. I've solved it. Okay.
Yes. This one.
So should this be users all?
Users all. Yes. Users all. Only admin can access.
Okay. But that's a very interesting thing now. Because if I
Yes.
remove
Yes. If all users are come here.
right,
Oh, good. Yes.
and
Okay,
this
I'll fix it. I'll fix it. Yes.
okay. I think we should probably do
Yes.
instead of
Uh,
users, do secure or something.
instead of permission, all permission. Instead of all permission.
Yeah. Okay. All permissions are let me see.
Configure. Yes.
Where is this? There is only
Yes. To all permit.
oh, so I just remove. Let's see. It's still. Oh, maybe it didn't reload.
That is here. It's not problem. I'll fix it. Okay?
Yeah, okay, that's fine. This is what I was the other day testing also, and I couldn't figure it out. Yeah, but now you know what I was. That's
Yes.
what one thing that I was talking about, and the other thing was about the users. But if you say that's the regular behavior, that's the behavior that it should be about
All user information.
all the roles, then I mean I'm fine with that. Let's. I want to change this here. I want to see something. Admin.
You can change. You cannot change here. Your token with token assist with your role.
Okay, so if I want to change it, then
Yes.
I have to change it here. So let me take this.
Please refresh your table first.
Okay, also the
Users.
yeah users are refresh.
Role. Sorry, roles.
Roles. Okay, so let me see roles. It will not take the
Yes.
changes.
Only users. No.
Oh, there's one admin, but I don't know why it does not. It's not taking the password. But anyways, I'll just use.
User, first user, then admin or user admin leads.
Okay. Um. Chumomo. Okay, so I.
Admin, then comma,
Okay. Comma user. Yeah. Is this the correct way?
yes,
Okay, so I send it now. Unauthorized.
unauthorized.
But I am logged in. Maybe not as an admin.
Yes, yes, maybe.
So if I change it here, will that make a difference?
But when you change here, you have to log in again.
Okay, that's
Take
fine.
log in again and take the token and send here.
Okay, let's see. I'm gonna apply. It's up. Okay, so now I come here to log in. Admin 123. Unauthorized. So now I am unauthorized to do this. Oh, let me just put this back. Let's see, because now it is this.
Admin, please send a token ZWT website.
You want me to send it to you?
Copy, yes.
I'm gonna send it.
Go
I'm gonna send it.
go to browser. Go to browser zwt.io.
Okay, hold on. See.
Step
Okay,
role admin. Yes.
okay. So now I want to see, since I am logged in, I want to copy this token, and I want to see get all users. All. First I want to see. Let's see if I'm still getting this.
All.
There's no cookies or anything. Okay, so all.
That's all.
Let's see if I send this. Why am I still getting this with the old token?
All token.
Yeah, this I didn't change the token. Like you see, this is 9M. I'm gonna copy this token and see what it comes out to be. You see? Look, this is the old token that I had.
And
Yeah.
checked it works fine. Okay, I'll fix it.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. It's just again, this is now I'm just discovering this. Actually, I didn't. The other day, I was able to get all the users also, but it didn't. I thought I was doing something. But you can see here, role admin. Yeah, role admin, role user, role admin. They are all the role admins.
All role admin.
Yeah. Let me see the table here. There's only two, but here we have three. Role user, role admin, role admin, and role admin. But if I copy the token that it's right here and I put it here, it tells me that it's role user.
Oh, and okay, I'll check.
You're breaking up a little bit. Okay. Anyways, if you can help us with that, that would be great. So we can do a little bit more with this.
I'll fix it.
Thank you so much.
Authorized site. Okay.
That would be great. Thank you.
Okay. Okay.
Um, okay, so for that, any questions, Ruth, for you?
I was just looking at that. So, like the authentication log in that when you sign in,
Mm-hmm.
the admin and the passwords. So the admin needs like a log, right? So what all things are you planning to putting like?
Right now, the way that it's been,
I can do something like this for now, like a table and like see that table under the result grid. So I give some idea and something like that for now.
so the idea is like for now, like if I do sign in,
Yeah.
let's actually do this sign in. Oh, so I come here. Um, hold on, let me just. You said you push the changes, right? Uh, let me just. I'm gonna get the changes. Git fetch. Git pull. Okay. Aborting. What does it say? The changes following. Sign up. Why is this? Git component registration sign up. So did you push changes, right? Um, Charlie.
Yeah.
Okay. Are these the ones that you made the changes on?
Uh,
And the sign in and sign up, right?
yep.
Okay. So this is a good time. You see, because I want to pull git pull, but it's not
Hopefully it
doing it.
should work.
I'm just gonna git pull origin main.
No spelling error.
Git pull origin main. Okay. So now I think I'm see your local
Oh,
change.
it's because you've I think it's because you have this is exactly the issue that I've run into sometimes
Okay, so this
when
is
I've like pulled from other places and they don't want to override things that
okay. So
you've
this is
put in.
a good time to do this. So I'm gonna stash it, right? Git pull, right? You see?
When you stash it, where does it go?
It stays in the local, and if you look at this, it says it's stash. Where is this?
And how would you retrieve it back?
Oh, I'll just show you this. Git stash. So there are two ways. If you want to apply the changes, you can just do git stash apply, but I don't want to apply the changes, so you do pop. And there is the changes again. You see, this is red.
Okay.
Because then you're removing it from the stash and you're putting it back in there. But I don't want to push them since you modify it. I'm assuming that everything is working and I don't know what this is. So let me just do this np npm start. So let me see. This is good.
Why is it's so much? Oh, geez.
Yeah, it's a dummy JSON. Because
That's is that me? I don't think it
no,
is.
no, it's why did it change that it went back to this? So let me apply the changes and see if it does anything. So git apply stash status first. I am in which branch? I'm in the main branch. Shoot. Anyways, um, git stash. So I'm gonna come here. Git switch. Edit collab. Git apply. Oh, what am I doing? Apply what stinker? So I'm gonna apply the changes here and then npm and see if it runs. I'm gonna have to go back. Ah, this is
But
great.
one thing I noticed was that when I submitted changes, um, the repository was already, there was some new changes added to the repository, which were different from my local. So I had to pull in the new changes and then push back. So it may be the case that you have changed your own code and maybe that hasn't been submitted onto the repository yet. So maybe what I have is an older version than what you have. So maybe that's what you're, maybe.
Probably. So I'm gonna come back to this one, and this is a good time to say this. So I'm gonna restore it to before you made the changes, just so we can work on this. And you can do the same maybe later. Copy. Ah, shoot. What am I doing? Ah, it doesn't want to pick only this. Control C. Quit. Git. Restore. Hash. What is this? So npm start. So let's see. Why is it not doing? Let me see. I'm gonna restore it one more back. Git branch. What branch am I in? Git switch. I'm gonna switch to main because I working on a Mozilla. Switch. Okay. Git. Let's see. Restore. Error. Doesn't find the imaginary files known. Git log.
This is basically the bane of my life.
Yeah, it's but why isn't it?
This can break somebody.
Yeah, because right now I am in the solving double header, right? This is where it's pointing, but I want to go back. So let me detach git checkout. Let me detach myself from this. You need to resolve current index.
I think what I need is a course on Git. Maybe that's what I need.
Okay,
I know IBM does one for Git. Just
okay.
see.
I'm gonna merge the changes because it's not gonna let me change.
I know they do one
Merge.
for Git.
Let me see. There's nothing. Needs merge. Stage entry. Why is it not popping it? Anyways, git pull. Fix the git remove file. So I'm gonna remove this file. Actually, I'm gonna stash it. Git, just in case I need it. Check out. Check out is not. I cannot type today. Check out. Error. You need to resolve the error. Why do I need to resolve the error? Git. It's not stashing this thing. I'm gonna remove this. Okay. Check out. Actually, Okay, your local changes from. I have to directory. Why is it not letting me go? Oh, finally. For some reason, the detach the stash was not picking it up. So let's see. And see, now it's working.
Okay, if you click sign up,
It probably not take the changes because, oh yeah, it's look.
no, the black button. Oh
Yeah,
my God, you gotta
it's
be kidding
because
me.
I went back one. So if I show you where I am right now, and that's what I
But
was
it
telling.
works on mine.
Right. So, but yeah, okay. So you see, I am now one uh, commit behind. The head is detached from the branch, right? That's why it's
Okay.
working. It's right before you committed the changes. But I guess you had an old file. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna revert the changes so you can actually pull the new repository and push with the new changes, because always pull um, before you commit, because this happens. Let me see, where is this? I don't know where the Git repository is. Is it here? No, it's not here. Where the heck is the Git repository? Oh, not here either. So, why are you asking me? Okay, so the Git. Let's see, and this is the beauties of Git. Repository, front end. So I'm gonna come here. Oh, it was a commit.
Git needs a serious makeover, honestly. I mean, it's so confusing.
Parent commit. So I'm gonna revert this.
I have looked for the download button so many times in Git. I don't find the download. Because
Yeah,
if someone doesn't know how the code come to the site and you look for the download.
it can be definitely. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna um, git. What is this? Q git revert head touch. Okay, let's see if I'm head is attached again. Okay,
Eddie's a time traveler, guys. He's going back and forth.
it's a pain in the neck, but so solving revert. So I'm just gonna add something here that says revert solving double header on sign up. This was reverted due to old code pushed. Okay, so I'm gonna save. I'm gonna close and now if you go and do a pull request and then send the changes, it should work again. And I forgot where we were. What were we doing before? Broke. I forgot. I genuinely forgot.
Thinking like what all things should be logged. Admin should see span and account. Yeah.
Oh, so we were. Yeah, I completely forgot what we were doing.
Okay. So when an admin login, what dashboard should he see?
Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay,
What
so
are things he should see?
okay, so right
The
now,
user part I know. That's why I know see, but admin should see mostly.
so let's see, let's do a little bit of admin panel examples.
Dashboard.
Build. Let's see what they have here. The Django panel dashboard
Yeah, dashboard.
design. Let's see images. Too much, too much, too much.
So probably this will be mostly analytics. Uh,
For instance, let's see. Uh, yeah, it's. Let's see what this is. So this is something that we should be able to see. Where is this design? I just saw a design here, but it went somewhere else. You see this? Why is not?
right click on open. Open image. Open image in new tab. Open image in new tab. I think it's some. Just open the image. Right click and open the image.
Okay.
Open image. Open image.
Where is
Here.
this open image?
Down. Right
It's
click.
okay.
Down.
Uh,
Save before save image. Before save image.
Yeah, open image in new tab.
oh, here it
Yeah.
is. I'm freaking blind.
Yes, zoom.
It's very small.
Zoom. Just zoom. We can see. Yeah. Yeah, I know what to see.
I mean,
Order ID date. Yeah, customer location. Yeah.
yeah. So this is kind of what I think. We can see the customers, the orders,
Yeah.
whatever, something like that.
So this data will be taken from the backend and put it like in a table, something like that, right?
Yeah. So this will display everything because if
Yeah, I understand.
if the if an admin wants to see how many, for example, how many orders they have, they can come to orders. And if they want to see how many the reservations, they can come to reservations. And if they want to
Uh,
see the menu, they can do updates on the
yeah,
menu,
update the menu. Yeah,
right? So all those administrative stuff.
yeah, I understand.
So that's
Just confirming. So if you want, I will make something. If you want any further things, we can do that later.
that would be great. So let me see where am I take what is taking me after the login dashboard. So if I go to what other stuff we have here? Pocket table, menu, events, about us. Oh, there's nothing really. Okay, I'm gonna take reservation. Okay, so if we say reservation, let's see if it works. I don't know what the name of that page is, but users. I know that this is working, so I'm gonna copy and paste, and this is admin123. Login. Login successful, and it should redirect me somewhere. It's going to the reservations.
Yeah,
So yeah,
yeah.
but this should go.
Uh,
If it's an admin, it should go to
yeah, that been
the
portal.
admin.
Yeah,
But if
yeah,
it is a regular client, it should go to the
yeah,
dashboard where it should have a different view.
yeah, I understand.
Yeah.
Can you go to that Excel of new Excel of Charlie that he Google Doc? I have updated.
Okay, so Charlie, you push the new.
Yeah, I think you've already done it though. I mean, if you go into the browser, I think you've already done it.
I what I did was I reverted the changes. So
Oh,
I don't know if because I
I know,
could.
just check, because I think you solved it.
Okay, I'm gonna show you this. Top header page. So why is it not? Okay, what I'll see. Yeah, this is. I cannot see. Why is it? I reverted the changes, but it doesn't seem like it took the revert.
Can you just check whether you've checked? I remember you clicking, and then I saw it was cleared. I saw that it was work. If you just click on new user sign up. Oh, okay, sorry. Yeah, never mind. Carry on.
Yeah. So because I reverted this commit, it shouldn't be even here. It should be a new commit here. That's what revert does. Git sometimes it's a little bit too much.
Yeah, Git is very inflexible. So if it's the case that it's so sensitive, like if somebody makes one change to the repository, we all have to pull, because if we don't pull and we just carry on writing stuff, and then we try to push, it will ask to pull again. And there may also be issues with merging, if you're adding new stuff and you're maybe moving things from one repository to another. It's just very, very, it's a very stubborn machine. You just have to be very careful with every single move you make, that it's being updated everywhere and that everyone's, on the same page, so we don't come into these conflicts.
Oh, git cracking is damage. I wanted to show something. Okay, well I guess.
Yeah. Now your software is going on strike. Yep.
Yeah. So what I'll do is brew, homebrew, homebrew, git cracking. Because this is a very good tool that it's helpful. At least I think it's helpful that you can benefit from. But I need to install it first because it was broken. So
I always get skeptical when it's called Git Kraken.
yeah.
Why do we have to, like, why do programmers always use like the most terrifying language? Like we got Python, got Git Kraken.
Mm.
Uh,
Yeah, I have no idea why they have such names. But Git Kraken is actually a very good tool that I think it's very helpful to understand what's going on with the
There, there is an account and no
error.
account. I don't know.
What the heck? It seems the app source application is not there. Oh, they remove it or what? Changes. You see, Apple, it's good when things work. They made changes not too long ago. Max Silicon.
yeah, it's all updating. It's almost always an updating issue.
Yeah, let me see if I can do it like this. Yeah, I've been this has updated like 20 times in the last week. Let's see if it works. Okay.
So what does Git Kraken do?
So if I can install it, I can show you what it does, but keep out, stop, replace. Okay, let's see. Just like it's not installing it. What the heck? Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see.
Can you go to the Figma file?
Yes. Give me Figma page.
Updated the show.
So Git Kraken. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what it does. Now, hold on, let me just show this real quick. Backend, other repository. Desktop, later, front end, open. So here you will see everything that's happening. See who was.
Oh, I see why it's called Git Kraken now. Okay.
So you will understand here, like you can get the everything, the pull, the merges, the how the branches worked and where it's right now. So you see, I reverted this but I haven't merged it yet, so I need to merge and then everything will be pushed too. That's
This is so much easier to understand.
yeah, here yes. I mean you can it was linear for a while because you were the only one working on it, or Omar I guess. And then somewhere, why is not your name not here? This is all you, right, Charlie?
Yeah, it's me.
I don't. Yeah,
That's me. But I guess it's Omar's now. Oh, is this? Oh, look, it's my name. Oh my God.
yeah.
It's
How did they
already,
get my email?
I think from the Git.
Wait
Yeah.
a second. Wait a minute. I
Be-
didn't put my email on GitHub. Wait a second.
It is probably linked.
It is
Wait a
probably
minute. Wait a minute. How did they get my email? That's so weird. I did not put my email on this. Wait, wait a minute. How did they even know my name was Charles?
It's gotta be somewhere. You probably have
Yeah,
it.
I'd love to know where it is.
You probably have it in your computer. You,
On,
you
yeah, it's on my computer,
right.
but I don't know how
You
that technology can take that data.
you sign your commits. So the signature comes from your
mail ID.
yeah.
Ah, really? There's data attached to the commit.
Yes.
Oh,
So
wow.
if you come here, let's see. So if you come here, you see. So every commit that you do, uh, it's some. Let's see commits. You see you're verified here, and Omar is verified.
Well,
But
what does that mean?
it's just like the
It's like secure, like not a public repository. Yeah.
hold on. So it just means like the person that it's sending the commits are have they have a signature. Sometimes I come with verified.
how do you view your signature?
It's in the computer. Like
Wow.
I have a global I have a global Git. What is it called? Global. I think it's global. Uh, Username. Git help. I don't remember what it's or how you see your information, but it's attached to your. Let's see.
Oh, how cool. Let me give it a shot.
So let's see. Git version. I have this.
Yes.
So it's attached somewhere in this in your machine because it's so let's see. Okay, anyways, where were we? I want to push these changes actually. Git.
Okay, apparently
Push.
git config list.
Yeah, git config. Yeah. Uh, so now, if you come here, you should have revert. Okay, so now the code is back working, and if you can make changes, you can pull this the latest code. Oh, kicked us out. See if Charlie comes. Okay, so you want me to move? Hold
You
on.
can
To the
slide.
page. Do you have the link button on hand for the page?
No, do you know Charlie's Excel? I will share it.
Yeah, let's see. Hold on.
Yeah, I managed to find it. I found it on my Git. That
Right.
is so cool.
It's somewhere there. Yeah.
Yeah, it's Git global username. Git
Yeah.
config global username.
Oh yeah, you see, I
Wow,
forget the
that is so cool.
So Git Kraken is for that. You can see where everything is. Now I just push the changes. So if I do fetch, it should
Still doing this?
be all tight.
Is it still not working?
Okay, hold on. Uh, I don't. It should be working.
I have no idea what's wrong. If you, well, what would happen if you just go on the main branch and git pull? What happens?
Um, in the main branch. So I just
You
I
just
just
go
sent
to the
I just
terminal.
reverted the changes that you made last, right?
Uh-huh.
So now,
So it's been pushed back.
right.
To, oh,
So now if you go and pull the changes, fetch and
okay. Let
do
me
pull,
try that. Uh,
everything should be coming back.
you know what's weird? If I do git status, it's actually says that I'm up to date. Okay, that's weird.
So you can do git pull origin main.
I just actually can just do git pull. Wait, hold on 1 second. Okay, if I go back, okay, you want me to do it again?
Let me see if you can. Can you share your screen so I can see what's
I'm just changing a very simple thing.
right? But you might have, because the endpoint that you had um, was not the correct one, so it was an old code.
Yeah, if I go, so I've just pulled, and it says that my on branch main is up to date with origin main. So uh, I'm already up to date, so it should be okay.
So let's see.
So let me just try again. I'm just gonna try again, see if it works.
Okay, go to your login. I think that's, or let me. Can you share your screen so we can see that, or
Uh,
or you cannot share your screen? I think you can. I just want to see the file that failed before, and I want to see if you have these URLs, the assigning URL and the in your local
oh,
machine right
sure.
now.
Okay, let me try and share my screen. Oh, uh, you want to check something?
Yes, I want to see
Um, what exactly are you looking for?
the APIs. Okay, where did you? Let me see you. It's not showing me your screen for some reason.
Click on this.
I'm there.
Okay, yes, so now I can see it. So if you go to the sign up, go up a little bit on the code inside the sign up or the login.
Oh,
I just want to see where, if you have. Okay, let me see. Require. Go up. Okay, there. Down a little bit. You see, you have the dummy. right?
Where's dummy?
You can see the const
Oh,
response.
hello,
That
dummy.
that's what's messing it up. So you don't have the last code, the most recent code.
Ah, okay.
That's why it kind of kicked us out because
Ah, so how do I change it? I've already done git pull again. Uh, so it's already up to date.
yeah. Let's see.
Uh,
Let me see the up to date.
Wait, are you guys both in the same branch or in two different, like front end and back end?
Let me see.
I'm on the main branch.
I am also in the main branch. So git. Let's do git fetch. Let's see if it does anything with the fetching.
Just
Okay,
that, git
that's it.
fetch.
Okay, now git pull.
Yeah, it's the same.
Oh, oh, I did restore, reset. I should have done reset. Why is it not? Hmm.
1 second, just give me a second. I'm going to go to the repository um, and just double check that these are the same. Wait, if I go to models. Ooh, wait a minute. Um, okay, that's the problem. So it's not my machine, it's yours. So if you go to the front-end restaurant project repository, if
Mm-hmm.
you actually check what's displayed on the sign up in the repository, you
Okay.
can see, actually, let me just share my screen actually.
Yes, I think
Uh,
that would be helpful.
how do I do it? If I just share my, yeah, so let me get onto here. So if you have a look at the actual repository,
Mm-hmm.
so if you can see this, I'm on the front end repository project,
Yes.
and I've gone inside the file into the sign up file. And if we're checking the same thing, we can see that there's actually a dummy here as well.
Right.
So I have pulled and it
Mm-hmm.
is updated with the repository.
So let me.
So I think what you need to do is you need to push your data onto the repository and then I will pull in the new updates and then I will make a change and push it back.
Okay, because. Okay, let me.
So that's the issue, right? That this shouldn't be here.
Yeah, let me try to push again everything because reverting the change, it should just revert the change.
So that's the problem. That's the problem because when you were pulling, you were actually pulling this. You were pulling this, and because you've already changed it on your side, there was an error to say the that you're going to merge changes with this, which you don't want, and there are that was the problem.
So okay,
Um,
let's uh let's uh let's see.
so
Um,
the way to solve it is I'm assuming you've updated that code, so you would then have to add commit and then push onto the main branch. So you have to just take all your data and just update it onto the main.
okay, let me see.
Uh,
Actually, yes, there is here uh, git add, git commit. I didn't
yeah,
think
if you
about
add
that.
and commit and then push to the main branch.
I didn't think about that. Okay, so
Then I can double check on my side. I can just check to see that you've done it.
update.
Then I will then take it and then change it back.
Okay, check. Now you can refresh and see if it did.
Okay, right, so I'm going to go back inside. So, oops, my mistake. Go to React components.
Actually, you can see the
Try now.
commit there. It says good with good.
Yeah. Okay, so there's the change, right? You wanted to add the slash add.
It should be no. It's a still dummy that there. Why is still dummy?
Um,
Because it should have this. The IP should be localhost 8090.
let me see. Let's have a look again.
Be,
So,
because look at this. You can see the update with good endpoints. It was done a minute ago.
oh, you've done it on the login. Okay. Um, the changes come on the login page. You need to change it on the other page. It's the wrong
Yeah,
page.
sign up page.
What
Your
about
up
this? Okay, so
you need to go into this one. It's you've updated here, but it's in this folder. It's in sign up where you've got your dummy
oh,
JSON.
so you changed both files.
I've only changed one file.
Yeah, yeah,
So
but what? But okay, so now I have to go.
you have to go into the sign up folder.
Okay, let me see. Actually, the sign up folder was also with good. It was working already. So if I try to sign up now, why is it sending the data? Let me try to the sign up because I'm confused about this. Yeah, yeah.
I don't know what's on your side. The code on your side. Maybe it looks very different.
It should have the working code. Right now it's not. So, and I don't know where it got git uh, log. It's gonna be interesting because let me see. Resolving double header, revert, edit collab.
I mean, you've already reverted it. So
Okay, so let me just do this. I'm just gonna git reset hard because I need to remove all those. The heck had this? Okay, I'm gonna just reset the changes and see if it works like that. Otherwise, it's gonna be a very interesting. Let's see. Okay. It is now at okay. So let me check. What is this now? This is interesting.
I'm sorry. Well, what's going on?
Yeah. Hmm. It's not even. I want to reset this, but it's not resetting. Let's see. Okay. Let's see what happens. I don't understand. Let me see now. Oh, da, 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 da. I don't understand why it's not resetting. So I want to reset endpoint. Control C.
Oh, by the way, Hyper, thank you very much for updating the Excel document.
Yeah.
That really helps. So we know exactly what we need to do and to carry on doing.
Okay, git log one line. So head is now where? Okay. So if I'm gonna tell you, if you go, if right now, let's test this going back in time, so you see what's happening. If you go to the if you do git in the terminal,
Yep.
you do git log dash dash one line. I cannot
Okay.
see your terminal, but and then
Ye-
you look for the commit that says merge branch main,
yeah.
and then you copy that commit, and then you
You want
do
me to?
yes,
Okay.
and then you do checkout to that commit, git checkout, and then the commit,
Okay.
and then you go to the files, the sign in and the sign up. You will see how it should be.
Um, no, I don't.
I cannot see your screen. I can only see your browser right now, so I don't.
Oh, okay. Oops. Um, I think this is the right one.
Okay,
Yeah.
yeah.
Um, it. So I'm in that branch.
Uh-huh.
So I've done git log,
Mm-hmm.
and I can see the merge branch. So I've gone into this one,
Okay. Yeah.
git check out that branch,
Mm-hmm.
and it does some weird stuff. And then uh, the head is now in this branch, and I'm in the sign up folder,
Hmm.
and I can see dummyjson.com.
Wow. Because I just did the same thing and mine worked for some reason. It's just
So what does it say on yours? Does this look different? Is there a difference here?
yeah. There is. Hold on. Let me just see this real quick.
I think probably what's happened is you haven't committed any the new changes. I don't think it's the case that it was once a different. I don't know. Maybe you've done something. I don't know.
Let
Do
me
you want
just.
me to do you want me to search all the other commits to see if I
No.
can find it?
No, that's fine. Let me just rebase it and see if it works. I'm gonna
Because at the moment I can't quite see. At the moment I can't quite see it.
let me see. Let's see.
No, there's no difference. You know what? You know what you can do? Is it a small change?
No,
Oh, okay, it's not a small change. Okay. Never mind. I was thinking if it was a small change, I could just change it on my side.
no, it's a few. I mean, it took me a few hours of work to get it done.
And
Just
what's
clean up
stopping you
it.
from just committing the changes into the main?
I am.
Does it give you an error?
It's just that it doesn't want to uh, do the changes for some reason.
Can we see? Can I see you trying to? Maybe I can try and help you debug it.
You want to see my screen?
Yeah. Maybe I just
Okay,
want to
let me.
see.
Okay,
I'm actually kind of curious what's on what's on your side.
okay. So let me just go quick. So if I go git restore, let's see. So where is
Can
this?
I just see what's in the sign up folder?
Yeah, I might. Okay, so let me see. What happened? I want to merge branch. Did not match because it only has one space. Did not match. What the heck? It's not matching. Merge. Okay, git rebase. Main is up to date, but it's I don't want. And so I'm trying to do a reset hard, and then this. It says head is now at. Okay, so if I come here, git log one line. So the head is right here. Establish more. Okay. Now let me see my git kraken. So it's right here. But why is it not deleting any of those other ones?
Can I just see what's on your folders? What's in your file?
Yeah, it's let's see. Let me actually.
I just want to have a look.
Okay, let me.
If you just go into the sign up file, just scroll up.
This is for some reason it brings me back to this. Let me
Oh, you
just.
see, so it's the same on yours as well.
Right. Yeah, yeah. I just had it. Let me see.
Oh, so you're trying to
Oh,
retrieve what you've written.
yeah. Hold on. I think I
Oh, okay. That
git.
means that must mean that your information is stuck in a branch.
I think I just copied the wrong thing. Okay. So this is what's supposed to. I copied
Okay.
the wrong commit. So this is what's supposed to be like this. You see, this is the sign
Okay.
up.
Why don't you push those changes into a new branch?
Okay, let's do this. Let's see, git
Um,
branch.
a branch out from the main. So just from the top.
So I'm ahead detach edit collab git. Let's switch. See, what am I gonna do? Happy branch git.
If you make a new branch and then you take all those changes and you commit and push into this branch, onto the repository.
I'm gonna do that. Merge.
I don't think it's merge. Is it
let,
merge?
let me just see if I can, without making any changes. No, I didn't. It brought the changes with me. So git remove git and I'm not gonna use this. So let me see where I am.
I think we're going around in circles here.
I think. Okay. Yeah. So let me see. Let me just try this one more time, because I want to make sure that. Okay. So this
Okay.
is what I want to keep.
My so the problem is that the data is stored in a previous commit, and it seems to be stuck there.
So
So
let me
in all the
see.
other,
Yes. Let me check. I'm just gonna remove
that's
this
I think
comment.
is the problem, which means that you probably need to take all of that data and move it into a new branch from the main. That is the only thing that I can think of.
Yes. So let me see. I'm gonna try to push this that it's completely new, and I only made one change. Commit. Fix. So
Okay, and then you push.
let me push this. Let me see if it's still the same. Okay. Git push. What is this? What is
It
my
would be the
branch?
main. It would be pushing to the main.
What is my branch name? Is it an I am in main or what? I guess
I think you just push to the main. I don't think it. Okay.
rejected.
Failed to push some references to the point updates were rejected because a pushed branch is behind its remote. Ah,
Hmm.
okay. I see.
So deletion.
Branch tip is behind its remote.
So let's see.
Could you click Git branch? Where are you at the moment?
I am
Oh, I see.
detached.
Okay. Give me
Okay.
1 second. Let me just do some research.
Let me just see status. So nothing to commit working. Um,
Yeah, okay. So you need to.
so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna switch. Let
Can
me.
I just can I try and solve it?
Sure.
Um,
So I have two branches. And
okay,
let me
hold on.
see, because I have that branch.
Okay,
Let me see if this pull. Yeah, I see. As soon as I change the branch.
yeah,
Yeah,
okay.
we
So this
updated
is
some.
what I would do. I would create a new branch from the main. I would name it something like Eddie or something. Just like it's just a temporary branch. I would just create a new branch.
Okay.
Okay. And you're currently on the Where are you at the moment? You are okay. Okay, so you've created a new branch, and then let's see. Okay. Um, give me 1 second. Create a new branch, and then
So this is the thing. I'm gonna tell you what is what is what is that we have to do. I just cannot figure out why it's not doing it. So we have to get to this branch, or maybe because this is the branch that everything is working on this. I mean, commit on this commit right here. Because if I come here, git check out, and then I go to this commit, you see everything changes, and you can see all the APIs and everything. And this isn't the sign up. I just don't understand why
uh, type in git branch. I just want to you keep moving around. If you go to git branch, just want to see where you are. Oh, okay,
I'm detached right
okay.
now.
So uh, oh, wait a minute. So you've got two extra branches. Wait a minute. I just want. I'm always having a look at the. Oh, I see. Okay. Um, can you what's on the other branches? What's on Eddy Collab?
So edit collab, because now everything is merged. It's the old. Let me show you. So if I go to edit collab, just watch this change. You see?
Okay.
So it
Why
goes
don't
back
you
to,
merge with Eddy Collab?
I think I'm going to try to do that, but I don't have a branch, I have a commit, and I need to know. I'm gonna Google how to, let's see,
I,
how to,
you can just merge, uh, merge, and then you just specify the code, right?
let's see.
If you do git merge, and then if you go to you need to have a branch on the GitHub repository that you want to use
Yes,
so
so
that you can push
what?
everything to that branch.
So I'm gonna go here, edit collab. Okay, let me just go to this one real quick. Git merge
If you just merge with the code,
commit. Where is this? So merge. Okay, to this one. So let's see.
no, you need to do the merge, and then you have to do the two. You have to put the two names, the branch Eddy Collab, and then the
Oh,
code.
you're right. You're right. You're right.
Already up to date. Uh, did you type it correctly? Okay, Eddy Collab. Okay. Already up to date.
So let's see. Let's just Git. I don't know why it's not doing, because this should merge straight to this branch, but it doesn't do anything. And I don't understand. Okay.
Type in git switch, and then you put in the code. Git switch and then the code. I just want to make sure that we've got the right thing. You had a spelling mistake.
You see, I have to do checkout for this.
Okay, git checkout.
If you
I just
want
want
to
to see that
detach,
I just want to see that the two things are different. If you git checkout,
and it changes.
okay, so they are different.
Yeah.
Um, okay. Let me just.
You know, I just want to copy this thinker. Cancel. Control C. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come here, git switch main. Okay. And I'm gonna paste this here. So now that I have it here, I mean, it's not ideal, but
Okay. Can I ask you to do something? Maybe it will work.
yeah.
Okay. So if you just start again. So you run git status. Okay. On branch main, you need to be on the detached state. If you go into the detached, you need to be on the detached branch.
What the heck?
Whoa, what was that?
I copied that code and let me just clear this.
So if you check out to the detached branch, just to so that we get on there.
So this is the one that we want to get to. Actually, you have the code also.
I do.
Yeah. You have the same commits as I do.
Well, let's just do it on yours. uh, uh, um, git status. Okay, just stop it. Just stop. So git detached. Okay. Now type in git checkout dash b, and then you type in new branch or something like that.
Okay, and just do
So git checkout dash b, and then the name of the new branch. So new branch or something.
API fix. Okay, so that's gonna be the name of the branch. Yeah.
Okay, and then you click enter,
So now I am in git branch. I
and
should.
then you and then you and then you type in git checkout main, and then you type in git merge with the new branch name.
This up to date.
Okay, hold on a second. Your branch has been have diverged, and one committed. You want to create the remote branch with yours. Ah, I see. Ah, okay. Okay. So click git pull. I think git pull. Ooh. You have divergent branches and need to specify how to reconcile them.
So what is it just? Okay, let's just do this one. We can always go back.
Guys, I am
Okay,
going to eat.
let's just try. I
Yeah.
don't know this step now. We're going into the dark now. Wait. Okay. Uh, 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 can you scroll up? Wait, before you do anything, you just scroll up. Go back down. I just want to make sure what that code was. Okay, go git checkout main.
I think I'm in main already.
Okay. Uh, git pull. Oh, so it didn't work.
Mm-mm. So let's see. How about I need to do git pull.
Let me see if I can figure it out on my side. Okay. Okay.
Let's say git.
Mhm. Sorry, what was the name of the code again? What did it start with?
It is this one 522.
5229C17. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can figure out what's going on.
Because
So
you have, yeah.
I'm
It's
gonna see what this
it's
is
very
about.
interesting that none of the commands are kind of sticking.
Okay, so I can't actually get into that. So your local changes to the following files will be overwritten by checkout. Maybe please commit your changes or stash them before you
You can
submit.
stash him. Just stash him.
I don't understand how that works. Wait,
The
stash.
stash him. The only thing that you have, it's like if you stash him, you can move between branches. That's all it does. You're
Okay,
not
git.
losing anything. You're not putting anything, or yeah.
Okay, git checkouts. Okay. Right. Okay. I'm going to. Huh. Git.
Let's see. Oh, but it says that it's the sign-in page is fixed. So let's see. Let's push it.
I'm gonna try and solve it now. Wait a minute.
Okay. It's so interesting, this thing. Okay, let's see.
Okay, I think I've solved it. Wait a minute. I think I've got your data.
Right.
Okay, I've got your data. Okay, so just just give me 1 second. Can I share my screen?
Sure.
Okay, so I'm gonna go back into the repository. So 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 I've created a new branch, which is the commits behind. If I go into source,
Mm-hmm.
components, if I go into the sign up, right there it is all in it. So it's all here. Okay, so I'm going to merge these two. Wait 1 second. I've got these two branches. Now I need to merge with main. Give me 1 second. Just give me 1 second, okay?